Do you know many people are having trouble with figuring out the right amount of detergent for their Speed Queen TR7003WN? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Add detergent first. Step 1. Always add detergent first, before loading the washer. Step 2. Load heavy items first. Step 2. Load larger and heavier items at the bottom of the washtub. Step 3. Mix item sizes. Step 3. Load based on space taken, not weight. Mix large and small items. Step 4. Avoid overloading. Step 4. Avoid overloading to prevent poor cleaning and excessive wrinkling. Step 5. Follow care labels. Step 5. Follow care labels for the correct wash temperature and detergent amount. By following these steps, you should now be able to properly measure and use detergent in your Speed Queen TR7003WN washing machine. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Speed Queen users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.